There's a quote I read recently, which I really love, which goes, "The future is for those who stick around." Let me explain this. So yeah, guys, so right now I'm just about to grab some lunch because we're really hungry. So what does this quote mean? Obviously, when I say the future belongs to those who stick around, what I mean is that, like, whatever you're doing, if you just stick around, then in the future, it'll pay off. So I know that many of you might be asking yourself like this question, like, what if I stick and it doesn't work out? It is great to be passionate about what you're doing. Like, do what you know you love doing so that you are able to stick through hard times, you know? That is why I really love making these videos, even though my channel is very small, because it is something that I'm passionate about. Holding a camera and making videos is something that I'm passionate about. So in hard times, I'll always stick to it because I know at the end, the future will be great. So whenever I'm going through hard times like burnout, I'm still passionate about it. So it is very easy for me to stick around. So yeah, let us go and grab lunch real quick.
Food for the soul.
So there's also something that I need to tell you guys, which is like, when you have a passion, it is also very important for you to be obsessed with what you do. Like, learn whatever field you are in, make sure you always consume knowledge, like learn about it, be obsessed, love it. Show yourself that you really live by what you're doing, if that makes sense. You should be passionate about whatever you're doing so that when hard times come, you don't give up. And also, if you're passionate about something, you should be obsessed about it. In whatever you're doing, just try to do something that you love and obviously be obsessed with that. So yeah, that is the conclusion. And guys, with that being said, I'm out of here. Peace out.